Imagine the amazing creature is in front of you. Sit in a comfortable place and draw the features as clearly as possible. Keep the shapes loose and playful. Time to refine. Inside the head and eyes should be real and hyper-realistic, and make it happy and curious, and the ears and the inner circle as in-depth and possible. Don't forget it has to be fluffy, and also make sure it is in and around you. Bring life to it. Show variation as a sleeping, hopping, munching, or even a crawling amazing creature in front of you. Share the creation in the comments or even in the social media with a specific hashtag. Mention the upcoming tutorial or challenges relating to the animal or drawing techniques. Remember to adjust the pace and detail of the drawing style and target your own audience. Mix it up with pink, blue or green and white. Use light strokes to fill the area respective to the outline. You can add more darker shades for shadows and light ones for highlights. Experiment with different textures, stippling for fur, smooth strokes for body and playful circles for the eyes. And there you have to go. You are your own adorable, amazing animal. Remember, art is all about fun and expressing yourself and new experiments. Don't be afraid to experiment. Add your own creativity and touch and show your creation with me. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more drawings, puns, and hit the notification bell. All the very best for your new venture. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.